Now we are going to learn the another term called phase difference between the two particles. Here we have to assume that two particles, they are moving in the circular path and their projection can be drawn on the straight line. When the first particle, when it is moving from here to there in 2 seconds, already we have calculated the phase of the particle. In the previous illustration, while teaching the phase of the particle, I calculated the value of the phase of the particle after 2 seconds. Again, I would like to repeat. Here, the initial phase of the particle is when time t is equal to 0, the initial phase of the particle is taken as 30 degree. After 2 seconds, the particle, it moves from here to there. Are you clear? The particle, it moves from here to there. So when the particle, it moves from here to there, it causes the angular displacement of 72 degree. How the 72 degree was calculated? Look at the formula. When time t1 is equal to, for the first particle t1 is equal to 2 seconds means substitute 2 seconds here. Are you clear? The time taken to go around in the complete circular path is 10 second time period value. Substitute everything, you will get the angular displacement omega t as 1.256 radian. If it is converted into degree, you will get 72 degree. That is, to move from here to there, it covers the angular displacement of 72 degree. Are you clear? So how to calculate the phase of the particle after 2 seconds? This is the position of the state of the particle after 2 seconds, right from here. So how to calculate? How to calculate the phase of the particle? Phase of the particle pi 1 is called as angular displacement plus initial phase. Substitute both, you will get 72 degree plus 30 degree. If both are added, you will get 102 degree. Are you clear? Right from here, the clear. The total angle is how much? 102 degree. So 102 degree is the phase of the particle, that you should not forget. Are you clear? Now, right from here, you extend the line on the graph. The clear. This position can be represented here. If it is extended towards downward direction, there you will get 102 degree. Are you clear? So in the graphical representation also, we are able to find out the phase of the particle. But what we have to learn now, we have to learn the phase difference. Whenever we call the term called difference, definitely there are two particles. Are you clear? There are two particles. Let us imagine, so clear, now I am going to use one more particle. I am going to assume that one more particle is also moving in the circular path. Are you clear? Already the particle, it has already traveled, is it clear, faster than this is clear, which one? The previous one. This one can be taken as the first particle and this one can be taken as the second particle. Now assume that the second particle, it takes how much second? 3 seconds. Are you clear? To travel from here to there. Are you clear? To travel from here to there, it is little bit ahead. The second particle is little bit ahead when compared to the first particle. It takes 3 seconds to move from here to there. Are you clear? To here to there, it takes 3 seconds. Now we have to find out what is the phase of the second particle. How to calculate the phase of the second particle? To calculate the phase of the second particle, the time taken to travel from here to there must be calculated. So T2 is equal to 3 seconds. Substitute in the same formula, T2 is equal to 3 seconds. There the angular displacement made by the particle can be calculated. This is the angular displacement made by the second particle. The angular displacement made by the second particle is how much? 108 degree. Are you clear? The total angle is how much? 108 degree. Are you clear? So right from here to there, it covers the angular displacement of 108 degree. Now how to calculate the phase of the second particle? This phase of the second particle can be calculated by, look at the formula, pi 2 is equal to, this is called, what is this? Omega t2. So clear, omega t2 plus pi naught. 108 degree plus initial phase of the particle. If both are added, you will get 138 degree. Therefore, pi 2 is equal to 138 degree. Are you clear? So this is the method of calculating the phase of the second particle. What is the phase of the first particle? 102 degree. Phase of the second particle is 138 degree. Which one is leading? The second particle is leading when compared to the first particle. Are you clear? The second particle is lagging behind the first particle, the second particle is leading and first particle is lagging behind. Again, I would like to repeat, the second particle, it is leading when compared to the first particle. Are you clear? Otherwise, we can say that the first particle is lagging behind the second particle. Now we have to find out, what is the angle difference, phase angle difference between the second one and the first one. Calculate the phase difference. How to calculate the phase difference? Phase difference. How to calculate phase difference? That can be represented by the letter d phi. Are you clear? So pi 2, which one leads? Second one leads. Pi 2 minus pi 1. Substitute the value here. 138 is the phase of the second one, minus here what is the phase of the second one, first one, 102 degree. Now you can calculate the value of phase difference. How much? 36 degree. So this is the phase difference between the second one and the first one. The second one, it leads the first particle by the angle of 36 degree. Are you clear? So the same phase difference that could be found in the other graphical part also. Now what we have to do? Right from here, extend the line. Are you clear? Right from here, extend the line, and that line must be connected with the graph. Are you clear? So this is the position of the second particle. This is the position of the first particle. Are you clear? Now I am replacing both. Clear? First particle can be placed here. Second particle can be placed here. Are you clear? Extend the line. There you will get the angle of how much? 138 degree. Are you clear? So in between 102 and 138, what is the angle difference? 36. That 36 is called phase difference. Are you clear?